Hi, I'm Regan, and welcome to Divinatory Poetics, Composing and Encoding Collage. We're going to be focusing on making abstract, experimental, improvisational collages with just enough structure to liberate your pent-up creativity. This class focuses on stillness and line, allowing the mind to settle, allowing all the emotions, the nervousness, not that it goes away, but just allowing the mind to settle, and line, just starting with the very basic building blocks of any visual art, starting to tap into the richness and the depth that can be expressed through line and the quality of line. We will be working in a series because working in a series allows you to just not have all the focus on one single piece. So I like to think about painting as a ritual, and to me what that means is taking what is unseen, internal, and invisible and materializing it. What you're materializing really has the potential to express all the dynamics of your personal energy. It can be a huge challenge. It's also very interesting because there's no way to really categorize and quickly name the content of an abstract painting. I would view this class as an experiment, an opportunity for play, an opportunity to experience a different perspective. It is accessible to you whether you're just looking for a new perspective in a painting practice that's already established, or if you've never painted before. I use the word poetics because painting is a language, and poetics describes a way of articulating and composing something that distills an essence. The reason why I use divinatory is because, particularly with abstract work, there's a chance to begin to develop your relationship with your own personal symbolism. So instead of thinking of symbols that you've already seen and that are known in the outside world, those are relevant. But when I am saying symbolism, I'm talking about just tapping into a subtler level of the way a particular color resonates for you, what effect it has on your body, the way making a particular line feels, and also observing your work afterwards, which is part of the divinatory poetics process, and reflecting on it, using it as you would if you're familiar with tarot, or if you're familiar with any sort of dream interpretation or divination. It's the same thing. It's a little bit more of a phenomenological perspective, which simply means phenomenological. It simply means tapping directly into the phenomena, the sensation of the color, the quality of the line, rather than the whole tableau of a tarot card or the whole tableau of a particular system. So let's get started with some warm-up exercises.